Let's go pour wine.
So unique. That's what you are. Lingerie reflecting off the mirror on the bar. Category sexy. I'm one of one. I'm the I'm number one. I'm the only one. Don't even waste your time trying to.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, my bedroom is so untidy. Oh my goodness. Even when I travel, go to a staycation or whatever, like in a hotel, this is how I live. I'm not the kind of person who gets into a hotel and start unpacking their bags, put everything on the wardrobe, and I don't do that. I don't know why. So even when I'm home, but okay, when I'm home, if I'm being honest, everything, my wardrobes, my chest of drawers, like everything, it's full, like igcwele impahla zabantwana bam. Okuhle uses my chest of drawers, my wardrobe, and Lubans. So yeah, then I end up seeing no need for me to unpack everything and like just tidy up the place. And yeah, I know this is unlike me because I'm a very I'm a very clean, tidy person, but when I'm home, sana, oh, kuyaphithizela because I'm not happy with this bedroom. But anyway, guys, welcome back to my channel. We're starting a new vlog, and I don't know if I actually have an intro on this vlog because it's all over the place, and I wasn't really taking the camera to shoot. I was actually tired, and yeah, I was taking a break. I was just taking clips here and there. But yeah, guys, sometimes I feel like if I was a girl who loved gym, like I would literally have a banging body. Like if I was that girl, mna guys, umuntu angithakatha nge-gym, I'm sure usaphila because I hate gym with everything in me. But every time when I see my body, I'm like, this is body is what? Our body is tea. Clock it. I clock it because what do you mean? Like, I love my body shape. Why am I talking about my body? I don't know, but anyway, I love my body. Like I always say, Aisha, mina, my body is tea. Yo, I wonder if we could swap mina girl, it's handy gym, like firming my body, like yo, kuba ngi fit, kuba umkhaba awukho. Yo, guys, I hate gym with everything in me, but I need it. But asikho lapho. Anyway, guys, please subscribe. It's free. And like the video, it helps the channel to grow, and subscribe, it's free again. So let's start this vlog. We're basically just coming back to Joburg on this vlog. We're really not doing much this day. I don't think I remember what I was doing this day, but we obviously are gonna see as the vlog proceeds. We're gonna see ubabe nenzandon, but I don't remember. I think I was going to fetch Ogutle eskolweni. Yeah, but nonetheless, welcome back to my channel. For those who don't know me, my name is Ongezo, but you can call me City Mom because I am a mother of 3 handsome boys. If you've been here, thank you so much for the love and support. And to my new subbies, thank you so much for joining the family. Jacket mdaka. Yo! Hayi shame ndixakile. Hayi ndixakile shame, but ke it's fine, guys.
We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, me like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby, I was hoping maybe that you cross my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move.
ukudla. Today is a Friday. I don't want to drag this intro. Hey, bro. Okay. Yeah. Hi, ma. Guys, it is so cold. It is so cold today. Like, ever since ngifikile emakhaya ne, akuna winter emakhaya. Like, inje. I-winter inje guys ne, emakhaya sharp. It's not hectic. Akuyonto xasba. But hayi namhlanje mntakaba ucaba lithi kudala nindincoma nithi andibande emakhaya. Yo. Imali ndini kuSam nana bani Sam hamba nabo uzokwazi ukubabamba ngezandla. Yes. What was I saying? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Guys, I just posted. Today is a what's happening? Why ndingakhumbuli kwanto? Today is what's a Friday? Today's a Friday and I just posted a vlog today, and yeah, I'm starting a new one because guys, someone asked why Uzimasa. I think it was on my previous vlog, not the one that I not the one that I posted today on Friday, on my previous vlog. And uyabuza why Uzimasa ethanda uhlala emva and qoma yo inoba umchakelona akayazi because
ngicacisa yimini guys.
Hayi icacise ngoku ndibaxelele because nama ndiyazi
singathanda ukuhlala phambili because once kwenzeka i-accident umuntu odrivayo uzovela adile ngecala eli lomuntu ohlele ngapha protecte icala lakhe, yabo. Do you get what I'm saying? Uyangithola?
So wena awuthandi ukuhlala phambili because you are thinking of
yes, umuntu uzoziprotecta icala lakhe avela adile ngecala lomuntu ongadriviyo.
Guys, I hope you can hear because there's no mic and she's at the back. I hope you guys can hear. Get your man! Guys, I'm actually supposed to be going, but ndibanike imali bamakayobathenga siyababhribe ngithi ngoba asiyami nabo. Eish, bayandistressa kanjani. So uthi ke ucingela yena i-accident. Uzicingelela i-accident. Sam! Be careful xa nibuya. Khawulezisani. It's just across the road, but guys, by 2 and abantwana can be very hyperactive and you know, especially emgaqweni. So now but I trust Usem. So guys, that's the reason ukuthi yena she thinks, and the sad part about accident is that you can never guarantee ukuthi it will come from the back, umuntu angene kum or front or side in.
Yes,
but when for your mental health you would rather sit at the back. Yeah. So that should anything happen, you are not affected. Okay guys, but I know I'm gonna answer this question again and again and again, because when I got that question I just knew that it's probably someone new who doesn't know that Uzimasa likes sitting at the back, and I explained that I also don't know why she sits at the back. Ungenza ushofa abantu abahlala ngasemva guys bakwenza ushofa ube ngushofa wabo.
Even ngihlala phambi kwe-back seat, yabo, in the middle, so that anything happen mhlawumbe ningalimali kakhulu, not saying ulimali uzolimala but ungalimali kakhulu if awulimali.
Okay, at least sive sonke answer namhlanje.
Get it?
If you don't get it, forget about it.
Forget it.
So guys, I don't know what time it is now, but it is after 1:30. I'm supposed to be there at 2 because today is a Friday, so he knocks out at school early, and I'm quickly rushing there. And then after we're gonna go to a Shelley Center. Uzmas uyolanda i-ID yakhe, wayenze i-ID. She's been having that old ID, so she finally has the normal IDs that we all have.
Ayisasebenzi green card.
Ayisasebenzi green card, so we're gonna go fetch that, but we're gonna start with Ogutle because we're not trying to piss him off. We are not trying to piss him off on a Friday. Figure see late because siqale phasi so sizomthatha okungcono sihambe naye. Yabo? It's better like that. So yeah guys, let's quickly do that. And I will catch up with you guys later. I don't know if I opened this vlog, but hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Petrol, damn, and asifakanga view. Okay guys, let's go so I can put petrol in Poretwati and we'll continue with life. Oh. Guys, this child wanted this. We're waiting for Uzmas. Okay, we got these things for... What are these for? For the knees or whatever? Huh?
Yeah. So that.
Anyway, we got this. And then we got... This one wasn't planned, but... Lena ke uyithenga naka 500 ngonyaka, this one. This, if you're a boy mom. So yeah.
So nice being a boy mom.
What's nice about being a boy mom?
Yeah, your son loves you. You love your son. You buy your things.
Even if I had girls, they would still love me.
Love you for what they buy you. I don't love you because of that. I love you because of my mom.
I'd bribe her.
No.
Guys, we're waiting for Uzmasa to get her card and then we go home. We are done. Yeah. So, oh, the cartel. So I'm getting a break from Kuni. I need a break from you guys.
How? Okay.
Ungadlali ibhola apha ubuhle.
I already need a break from us.
Yes, I'm tired. Anikhathalanga nina ukuhlala nami?
No. Kathela ukuthunya khona.
Ukuthunywa ndim? Hayi mandihambe kungazuthunywa.
Ngiyagogo yafana ngithuma ivunuzi. So life is day.
Ngikhathele nje nokuba iphara nalezi inwele. Kusamele ndiye salon ndiyoluka isnubi lo free hand. And go fix my nails. Yabo nje. Bye guys. If I'm being honest, it's dirty. Ikhadi lakho lasebhenki?
Yes.
Unikiwe namhlanje? Why?
Uzithathela?
Uzithathela? Bufuna ukuthenga e-tuck shop? Unemali?
Yes.
Guys, Ogutle has a card now. Bank card. You must give it to your dad. Tell him to load money here.
I will.
He
He still owes me 1.6.
He said he'll send you 1.6 for what?
He lost. He supported a team. Then I said if it loses, he sends me $100, and that's 1.6 here. So he's gonna send it. He has no choice. He said he's a man of his word. I
What?
figured that he can cancel the bet. I was just playing. I figured what you know, I'll still give it to you. So no, a soccer team that he likes lost in a match.
Oh, not la PlayStation in.
Yo, I play la PlayStation. I would have lost badly.
Bezokushaya.
Yakhumbula last time I did 11-0. So I'm not taking that bet again.
Bezokusendela. At least now in those ballet so we're still running Ogusha's errands. We came hello sis, bathe silethe Tuesday silishiye ngala.
Alright.
Okay. We're gonna bring the bicycle on Tuesday because his bicycle that I bought last year December. If you guys remember, we bought 2 bicycles for Lubanzi and Oguhle. He's broke, so now into abayenzayo apha they fix bicycles on Wednesdays only if you bought it here. Like a game, you just bring a proof of payment yakhona slip, then uthenge banikeze balungise. So asazi ukuthi lizolungiseka indlela elife ngayo, I'm not sure, but we will see. But I must bring the bicycle on Tuesday, drop it here. The person who fixed them comes on Wednesday, and then we'll pick it up on Thursday. So yeah, I'm actually tired of these mommy duties, like zinghlella saying it right. But anyway, we're done now. We're done and we're going home, and I don't know if you guys can hear me because kuyangcola apha sana nomculo. But yeah, it is what it is. Hi guys, I'm back home. I'm back home and it's my turn to cook. And I feel like I'm forever cooking on this vlog, on these vlogs.
It's your boy Mr. Payman MPM, King of the Peace, the one and only guy that make history in Hans, the legend. What's in your sis?
Okay, Mr.
Payman.
Okay.
Yeah, clock it, Pela out. Danko.
Guys, I feel like I am always cooking. I need to cook. So I'm going to cook. I'm still wearing my thingies. I haven't changed. It's literally, what time is it now? Go bed to 6. It's 17:55. So I'm going to cook. So I'm not gonna cook with you guys, basically. I'm not gonna cook with you guys because I'm sure you guys are I'm sure you guys are tired of this cooking segment. Zam like Makai. I'm sure any grand man. Last vlog I was dishing up, which was no, it wasn't yesterday. I don't know, but Diopeg Goku. So ndithetha notata okuhle and le ndoda le izandixayisa. Guys, let me go cook and answer this man. And yeah, I'll catch up with you guys later today. If not, if I don't pick up this camera, which I think I won't, because then I'll be dishing up it's okay. And what I wanted to do is take these kids out, but it's so cold. So I usually don't. If you've noticed, I don't take my kids out in winter unless we're going to a restaurant. But fun things, games, watching zonke izinto uyoqubha, zonke into abazithandayo. Xa kuyi-winter ndiye ndibaxelele uba guys niyakhawuleza nogula ninjalo nje, so bayawazola amakhaza, especially okuhle. So avoid unless ndibaphathe, like for instance, I don't know if you guys saw the paper there, le KFC. So ndiqhela ubathengela kakhulu into abazithandayo because I avoid them being out on the street. But come summer, I give tatarata You wanna go play games? Come, let's go. You wanna go to the beach? Come, let's go. You wanna do this? Okay, I don't have a problem. It's Sam available. But nje, yeah, I'm not gonna pick up this camera now. Let me know. I'm not the one. I think Masa Okbizai. So guys, let me stop yapping. Unjani? Yapping. Hi guys.
Bye. You drive safe.
Say bye, Olutle.
Bye, oh mama.
Bye, Banzi.
Bye, mama.
Bye, Mhlengi. Bye, Sam Sam.
Bye, Ongezwa.
Bye, Sia. Bye, Gogo.
Bye, Mntanam. Bye, Ongezwa.
Bye bye, wena. Oh, bye, Anati. Andimboni J. Bye, guys. I did. Hi, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Why is it on drive? Oh, I'm supposed to reverse. No, I'm supposed to be on reverse.
Bye, mommy.
Bye, baby. Mwah. Bhekani uLubanzi uphethe imali yena yedwa.
Bye.
Hey, guys, make sure to spam her YouTube comments that she must send me my 300 rand.
3.
Yes.
Not 2.
You owe me 200. Oh, 2.
Ah.
2 plus 2. You owe me 200. You're gonna
400.
Yes, 400.
Okay. I'll send it.
400.
I'll send it to her account.
Thank you.
Bye, dolls. Love you, Banzi. Bye. Yo. Kwaze kwakude eGoli. Abantwana balayitile ilight lapha ngasemva. Yeah. Balayitile. Time now is 9 o'clock. What time is it now? 8:57. 8:53. Kulungile ke, bye. Oh, le ifuna ama cable ties. Hi guys, today's a Saturday and I am finally going back to work. Oh my goodness. And it's raining. It's raining. But I did my nails, guys. I did my nails yesterday. I did my wig lines. Yesterday. That's why I'm so fresh. Did my wig lines, did my nails, did my toes. I did my whole maintenance. So the only thing I need to do when I get to Joburg is to do an installation. Then yeah, that's about it. So let's drive, guys. I can't yap. I'm about to drive for 8 hours to 9 hours. But I usually do 8 hours if I'm being honest, unless kune traffic, kune accident and then we're gonna get held up for like an hour or 2. Otherwise, if aguna traffic, then me, I'm gonna do 8 hours. But yeah, let's go, guys. I'll see you guys in Joburg, and I'm so excited. Like, another thing that's making me happy is the fact that even Oguhle said, yo mama, this time around uhlalile, and I'm so happy. Like, obviously kids can never be enough. You can never say you stayed enough with your kids, but for them to say I want at this time uhlale that and right, never okay and right. But I'm like, I usually stay for a month every time when I'm here, you know, and in my head I'm thinking a whole month is enough, but I stayed for like a month and a week. So yeah, I'm happy when they are, like, I'm happy when my kids are happy. But unfortunately mommy has to go because mommy has to go back to Joburg. Mommy has to go to City Life. Mommy is a city mom, so mommy needs to go back. But yeah guys, let me stop yapping and drive. I'm actually hungry, which is, I don't usually get hungry around 9, but you know, it's because it's very early. I woke up very early and I wanted to go, but I also didn't want to wake up my kids because Ulubans were still sleeping. So I'm like, yo, I literally woke him up. I'm like, if I don't wake you up, I'm not gonna go. So I need to go because guys, yeah, I think that's why I'm hungry, but nonetheless it's fine. I'll catch up with you guys on the road. Let's do this. N3 gives me so much anxiety. It's because the India has a distance and is yo. Anyway, bye guys. We are on toll gate number 1. I'm on toll gate number 1. No, actually number 2. Leas Maritzburg. I haven't played music since I left home. I've been on my thoughts, on my mind, planning everything. You guys, I actually have a diary which I don't use, which is why I've attempted to do it, but I've never really done it. That thing, what you call, where you put everything every year, achieve and like I live in my head so much that I don't know. I know it's important to write things down but guys, now I will start, plan, finish everything in my head on my own. Like I live in my head, but let's continue.
I don't mean I work hard with music and my few funds. Families come and I knew that meaning I press next time. I know it's hard, 100 pound will sound bad. Not asking for the fun, so Bruna grits so fun. I only wanna talk, any munga show to love. I only need a cut, cause you could have any cash. I only wanna talk, any munga show to love. I only need a cut, cause you could have any cash. You could have any cash, any munga show to love. You could have any cash, any munga show to love. You could have any cash, any munga show to love. Ataka ni fake love, any munga show to love. Pardon in a wonder, Mimi in a wonder, what till it come true between us two. Even Shani had to, but me not believe too. Atakani na fake friends too, real ones what I come through. I only wanna talk, any munga show to love. I only need a cut, cause you could have any cash. I only wanna talk, any munga show to love. I only need a cut, cause you could have any cash. You could have any cash, any munga show to love. You could have any cash, any munga show to love. You could have any cash, any munga show to love. Ataka ni fake.
Guys, we are halfway through pouring some petrol. Yabo, na yabala la iyanyuka. You are no 300 kilometers. Senyuka. Woo, guys, I'm so tired. Ndifuna ubona ndithe makafake i-800, so ndifuna ubona ba izanika how many kilometers. At this point, makafake it gave me 500 kilometers. It's fine, because driving from here to Joburg, I'm gonna use 300 kilometers. Yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna use 3. I'm gonna get to Joburg with 170 something left petrol. So this is fine. I'm gonna go buy food, eat, take a break. What time is it now? Let me show you guys. Time now is, it was recording. Why is this phone recording? Time now is 1 o'clock. Yabona? Kungo-1. So no, I don't have. So guys, let me stop yapping and go get something to eat. My lips if I don't let me pay, get food, and then we'll continue with the road. I love Wiglines, it's fresh. Bye guys. Hi guys, I just got food. I'm back. Okay, wait, let me organize myself. Let me take off these bags. Oh, Sana, I'll answer people on my WhatsApp when I'm done eating. Lana, I got 2 pies and some bubble gum. Oh, pie, guys. About later, when I get home, later, I'll be hungry. And maybe it's a pigwang. So I'll just warm up my pie and eat. Oh my goodness. Driving long distance alone is kind of nice, if I'm being honest. I get to just be on my thoughts in my mind, think about a whole lot of things, you know? Play music. Enjoy. It's nice. It's therapeutic if I'm being honest. Like, I've just really been on my mind, planning, canceling, doing whatever. Doing whatever, you know, on my mind. So I should do this more often. But another thing, sometimes I can't say no to people when mabeceli lift. Yeah. Umuntu makeceli lift, that's uyagoduka okanye athi umuntu ngicela undihambele nomntanami and stuff like that. So yeah, can't really say no. Well, I can, but I mean, I could write Londole, you know, especially if you have space. Unless I don't have space, then I'll be like, ish, but I really enjoy driving alone, if I'm being honest. Long distance, it's very nice. I wanted to buy coffee, but then I got this, and I also have water, so I'm like, yo, that's just too much, and I don't wanna. Andifuni ukuchama endleleni, guys, and when people umchamo nje, I don't want that. Too good. I'm literally having my first meal. Scrumptious. Scrum yum yum. So good. Guys, let me eat and stop yapping. Ndiphendule WhatsApp zabantu. Guys, I'm done eating, but now I feel like I should have bought that coffee, because okay, let me drink water. It's fine, let's just have some water. Yeah, also I don't want to have a lot because andifuna ukuma, andifuna ndizomane ndifaka emagarage sengiyochama. I'm so full. Oh my god. Like, I'm not complaining. I'm gonna have some gum. Yo, I have 3 hours left. I think that's the reason why I love Montrose. Yo, I don't have time for this. My nails. Yeah, like literally I have 3 hours and just a few minutes to get to Joburg. Driving alone is so therapeutic. Like, I'm so happy. Like, I'm so happy I'm alone. I don't even want to lie. I am very happy. I love these from Clicks. Remember, guys, I said I'm trying them out. I love them. So good. I'm about to drive now, so I'll answer people when I get to Joburg, because I had texting and driving long distance. I can reply when I'm driving short. Local. I'm a long distance in a phone. I only touch it when I'm playing music. So, right. Let's go, guys. Anyway, guys, let us go. Guys, abantu abahlezi behleka. We post something, umuntu uyahleka. We post something, umuntu uyahleka. Ndiyahlekisa. I don't understand though.
Bengisola manyana engishaya iganda lezo nsuku sezadlula omongithanda ungitshele ngoba I'ma choose the wrong one for me.
I need to unpack all these things. First thing I do, let me put these keys in here. My spare key, and leave it here. Guys, is spare key some sisanalento. This is how they give you a spare key kahande. Yes, some sisanalento spare key. Like, why? But also, why? This, I'm back now. Back to this chest of drawers. They're gonna fix it. And then it's in here. Also, I think I'm gonna put my bags inside my drawers, if I'm being honest. Because so now I have chest of drawers I can actually use. I can actually use them. siyaphela because I love it so much. Oh, the Listerine, I used to buy the small one. Siyaphela, I think. Yeah, I left it like here. I didn't like it. It's so, guys, you know how Listerine is in the mouth, and this one, it is non-burning, no alcohol, non-burning. It's written here, like it's so smooth in the mouth. Love it. Love it so much. Guys, I love unpacking as soon as I get to the house. I don't want to leave it for tomorrow. I need to do it now. I need to do it because why am I leaving it for tomorrow? Make it make sense. I don't know why this is in here. I can't wait for this to finish. This is opaque. There is a gel. These are getting finished. Oh, is it finished? Uchithekile, guys. I'm a perfume one. It's fine. This is because I use it every day. Like so many things are finished. I need to top up. These are for my bag. But it's fine. I'll buy these ones can stay here. Oh, guys, let me clean this. I'm coming. I'm done packing. I want to take a shower and literally I'm done packing. I'm done. Everything. I'm just gonna do one load, guys, because I'm tired. I'm gonna do one load, Dionege, and then I'll do the rest tomorrow. Load, close Dionege, and then I'll do the rest tomorrow. But yeah, let's go shower. Let me go shower. I'll see you guys when I'm done showering. I will see you guys when I am done taking a shower. You see, everything is done. this ndizayinxiba ezi pijama wam ndizoyinxiba namakawusi, that's why ehleli apha. And yeah, that's about it. Let's go shower, guys, and I come back and relax. Okay, I'm done. I just finished taking a shower. My brother called while I was, guys, I'm wearing amabham shorts wami okulala neskipa. I have zero energy yokufuna ama-night dress, and ke seniyangiyazi ngiwathanda kanjani ama-t-shirts for ukulala. It is so cold. Joburg is so cold. Like, Eastern Cape doesn't have winter. Okay, this year, because sometimes iba khona winter, ne? But this year, guys, bengekho winter. Like, bengekho winter. I just got here and it is so cold. We are back. I know. I had said I'm gonna go back to Truas and ndiyothenga le enye gown enavy enandiyithandile henene purpur. Oh, ayisuka ngxaki zam zineengxaki zazo for uba ndibe ndithengana neegawuni eziyi-1,000. Ndizawuzenzani? Siqale lapho nje. Iwinter iphelile kuyimanje, and you know, like, winter is done already. So nje, who is texting me? Winter is done. I'm gonna wear my socks and be warm and pour myself a glass of wine. What time is it now? I think it's 7. Let me check. Oh, you're better to 7, guys. It's not 7 yet. Yeah. When guys, driving alone is so therapeutic. Like, I love it so much. I'm obviously talking about it a lot because I've never done it. You know, I'm always with people. Oh, yabo. So today I drove alone. Long distance, guys. Long distance. I'm talking about long distance. And oh my God, I enjoyed it so much. Like, I really do. I really did. I am sweating. I was saying my brother called. He said, igiza bendiyi-onile. I know you're going to want to shower. Wathi igiza ndiyi-onile. Amanzi, I'm sure ashushu. So if you want to shower, go shower now because amanzi ayashisa. I said, say less. Oh, they smell so good. Also, I haven't sprayed it in a minute. Oh, so he called. Let me close the windows, actually, guys. The curtains, I mean. Oh. Guys, but I'm still para, guys. Because I did my nails, my wig lines. I just need to... I don't know if I want to do an installation, if I'm being honest. I don't know. I'll see. Because I have things to do. So, yeah. Okay, windows are closed. Windows are closed. I actually cannot wait for these people to come and do my, like, chest of drawers, ne? Like, I'm just so over it. But then I wasn't rushing them as well, even though they were giving me updates when I was at home. I was also not rushing because I knew Guti, I am not around. So if they call and say, Sieza Apo, then now I'm gonna rely on my brother to do, like, to check things out. And you know, last time I luckily I was here, so and I was born, so I'm back now. So yeah, they must just do what they need to do. And I'm also here also so that I can just take my things. They are scattered all over the place, and just organize my bedroom. And then the only thing that I need to do is the side pedestals. The side pedestals, I'm going to do the same blanca. And yeah, guys, I'm not about to explain uba ndizokwenza ntoni kule kamera yabo, because I'm not going to do it this month yabo. So anyway, let me pour myself a glass of wine. A lot of people posted, like a lot of people posted. I'm gonna stop watching vlogs on my phone. Now I'm gonna watch vlogs on my TV. Let's go pour wine. Let's go pour my wine. And actually, I think I wanna Netflix rather. Let me Netflix. Sabo? Let me rather Netflix. Oh, I'm coming. Joburg. Guys, a lot of things. You see, the fridge. My brother went and fetched my fridge. You guys remember my fridge? It fits perfectly to the black thingy designs on the cupboard. This and also the washing machine. He changed everything, and then like I like this. He also took the picture on top of this mirror. Can you guys see green on green? Because there's obviously this artificial plant here. Love it. Like ukuhamba kwami kuncedile because izinto zezathathwa zabekwa ngendlela. Uyabo? Zathatha izinto wabona ba le mandibeke apha, le mandibeke apha, le mandibeke apha. Like it's so nice. Now the only thing we need to do is get blinds for ama curtain, ama festire. I mean, kufakwa ama blinds. But kwenziwe nalena, guys. Look, guys, when I left, this wasn't here. Can you see how organized the kitchen is? Do you remember, guys, when I said I hate cooking because I'm a food and they look so untidy? Yeah, kwanjani? Bukani kuhle kanjani? Neat, clean, amanje clean. I'm so happy, guys. I love a clean space. I cannot function in a dirty place. Like, it wasn't okay. The part that was dirty on the wall was obviously the part last pega corner. It was amafuta and even if the place is not dirty, like I don't know how to explain it. Like if I know this thing needs fixing, fix it. If feel it, fix it. Do you get? Fix it so that you can be functional. And was maybe I'm not bright because khona abantu aba bright ne bahlakaniphile aba functional very well in a very untidy place. Uthola ukuthi umuntu uyafunda unempahla kungcolile izitya zihlanjwa ngekitchen uba bhenzu but esikoleni mina I can't. The minute kwamdaka ngazi usabona nje le ndawo ingcolile ayisebenzi le ivelime tse. So I'm explaining this because when I came to the house and I saw, I want wine glass, I want some winesy. Ooh, I love these ones. Haven't used them in a minute, but I always use these ones. These are my go-to. Love them so much. Let me use these ones. So I'm happy because when I got in here and I saw that everything is organized, I was like, bless your heart, my guy. Bless your heart. Because what do you mean? You went to a storage and took things and organized. Eh? Wait, guys, let me show you another one. I tatil. Wait, is it showing? When I saw this, I was like, yes. My spoon organizes. Like, love my brother for doing this because I don't know if it's him. Okay, it is him because obviously, but I don't know what we organize or Benonandi, the girlfriend, they were doing things. And you know, I don't care as long As long kwenziwe nje kahle kwahlanganiswa, that's all I care about. But thank you for organizing the space, because I'm a content creator. Ndithanda indawo eziclean, into ezenza sense. So thank you for organizing my space. You know? And now, knowing my brother, when I have to move out, except for obviously the big things like fridge, because he has a fridge, and washing machine. It's just that they're silver and he doesn't like them, so he likes mine because they're black. But there are certain things that I know I will live in this house. Nikhona nizobona. There are things I will live in this house. My bedroom, I left everything. I left my bed, but those I left on purpose because they were old. So I was like, it's fine. Zindala, which is Zindo. I don't want to move to 4 ways with these things. But condoms was share. Uzophinda uthenga enye, uzosho kanjani ukuthi uzophinda uthenga ezinye. Yeah, uzosho kanjani asa uzophinda uthenga ezinye shiya. Hayi le ishiye le. Ngiyamazi. I know him. And ngizomshiyela because umfana and abafana abazwani ukuthenga izinto zasendlini. So he can have them. Mina I'll buy again. Yabo? Mina I'll buy again. Because thina amantombazana, we like buying furniture. We like buying izinto zasendlini. You like saying, this one is old. Let me switch off the lights, guys. I hate indlu yofike kulayitwe yonke indawo for no reason. So I know ukuthi uzothi hayi shiya lezo zinto. Guys, I don't know how long is this vlog, and I've been yapping for 12 minutes. Yes, I've been moving around with you guys, but what I want to say is if I close the vlog here, just know it was long enough. If it wasn't, then I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. I'll see you guys tomorrow. So we did travel safe, and yeah guys, this is it. Let me love and leave you and start a new vlog kahle la eJoburg yabo. Let's get rid of this one. Let's post this one. I've been putting clips. They're already saying 52 minutes. That is 1 hour. They're already saying 52 minutes. And here I've been talking for 13 minutes. Clearly, figured 1 hour. So guys, let me love and leave you. I will see you guys on my next one. I am so happy I'm in Joburg. I miss my kids already, and I know they miss me too, but I'm so happy. Like, they didn't even cry, guys. Oguhle did not cry. If you've been here and you know, every time when I go back, Oguhle cries. Like, Oguhle uzokhala akale. Oguhle is such a mama's boy. Not even him. All my kids are mama's boy, ne? Even the older one, he likes acting tough, but I know. But Oguhle did not cry. Ulubanzi did not cry. Oguhle even said, yo, hi mama uhlalile ke this time around. I'm like, okay, sendingahamba. Athi hayi songahamba mama, ku right. Sizokubona ngoDecember. I was like, Oguhle. Athi yes. Hi mama uhlalile. Hey, I'm like, okay, I'm going. No, I'm going. Thanks, I'm going. But how, mina, I thought nje umntu uzoba, hey, guys, it's usually so emotional when I have to leave. Like, ngikhala endleleni kwamina, I'm driving my eyes, I'm crying, my eyes are red, because I'm like, I actually cannot wait. I'm fully in my house, in a place where they can call home. Do you get? But for ukuthi bangakhali, kuvele nje bye. Okay, bye. Kiss, mama, I love you. Kanjalo nje. I was like, okay, I sure know. I cruise this time around. But yes, they are gonna miss me. and unyaka sozophela, so ngibatshelile ukuthi awu guys, September makuvala ikolo ngicela ukuthi singahluphani, nizonibona ngoDecember. I'm so happy. I'm happy that I stayed that long. Bade bazithola bona ba hayi no, hayi si grand. Asikho grand phela, akunankinga mesihlala nawe fully, but no, isukile lando yoba umama asihlali naye yabo. So I was like, okay, yeah, I'm mandihambe. So yeah guys, back to regular programming and back to hustling in Joburg and back to anyway, I don't wanna drag this already. I'll see you guys on my next one. Today is a Saturday. I'm hoping I'm able to edit this today while I'm having my wine and post it tomorrow, which is a Sunday. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Kulungile, bye.
But coming from that pretty mouth, the truth is fitting. Cause you ain't never talking loud and you know plenty. You know what I'm talking about, cause you